into hole. So, it's too deep for him to climb out. Oh dear. If I were Spike and I fell into a hole, I wouldn't want to be Spike.
Buti nga
Can't
hakto
he
eh.
just dig his way out?
Kaya.
You need a big head to dig like that. Well, at least my head is small. Yes, but if your head was on a spike, you wouldn't be Spike.
Biniling ko naman
And you
kay...
wouldn't be Spike.
I'm afraid I must concur with Ruby on
Wow,
this issue.
ganda. Color blue ba clothes ni George?
Strong and flat.
Galing mo. Anong color ni George?
Biniling ko may body yung ano, yung bulto natin.
Well, along there.
So how is Spike gonna get out? Do you think you can
Walang
help us
pin?
rescue Spike, Mr. Big Nose?
Why, certainly. Just lead the way.
I'll read it when I
Oh,
see
pink.
it. Speaking of it, you're it.
Hi, Lexin! 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 Ganda!
Ay, sa galing ah.
Oo nga, may sinat siya.
Meron
Ito
nga.
ba?
Who is that? What's he doing here?
Yan, masakit lalamunin din. Pareha sila. Ha?
Why don't you ask him?
Mal, maliligo na
Si
ako.
George yan. Si George yan. Maliit eh.
Greetings, I am Milo, and these are my friends, Lydia and Flower.
Gusto niyo sa lamesa?
Well,
Ha? Okay ka na dyan?
if you don't mind me asking, what brings you to our
Kailangan mo rin bukas.
Lexin, may bago kang classmate? Wala. Lexin, meron? Babae, lalaki? Boy or girl? Girl? May girl ka ng classmate?
Who fell from the mysterious above is the big wise one.
Ito, gamitin mo.
The big wise
Ito oh. Lexin. Kailangan ng water niyan eh.
Think about where he came from.
Nasawsaw mo.
Ito nga oh.
Strange like Rowan.
O, yan mo doon. Yan.
Legend says our dreams will come true with the
Bait ka na.
wise one.
Nasawsaw mo ulit.
The mysterious above, where our visitor has come from. Do you really think I'm so dumb?
Water ka din?
That he's
Ito oh.
the one?
Balik tayo mo.
His kind
Kunin mo yan.
smile, his giant size.
Kuha mo.
Big wise one is here. Just looking
May hawak Tata G eh.
for eyes. Your doubts will disappear.
Kaya mo yan ate. Tulungan mo nga siya. Help mo si Lily natin.
Mysterious above. How we look forward to this day. Oh, big wise one, show us the way, so we may share your love from the mysterious above.
Ayan na oh.
The mysterious above.
Ano siya ba, Tommy?
Bakit?
Sabi ko ba? Kawawa si Ed. Kawawa yung kanina ka.
Bakit?
Pasok sa school, di ba nakakarating sa room, natanggal sikit lahat ng sapatos. Totally tanggal sa swelas. Di naman kami makontakan, wala pa. Kulang kami kakon sa room at yung natayo.
Well,
Dapat pinatahi yun dito.
Spike will need it. I don't find anything funny about a young Spike tail in trouble.
Water kasi. Sausaw mo dito.
Okay lang yan. Pero may memory siya for Dito mo ka tayo.
Come on, Sarah. I better show them how to save Spike.
Ito kasi, sausaw mo yung brush mo dito.
Yung sapatos nila, hindi ba nila dyan eh? Ano sapatos ba? Yung pwede yung pagkakos niya. Wala rin siya pumasok. Eh, may
big wise one, I must admit, why is it that sometimes the
Doon
ground
sa water.
shakes and you shiver?
Saw-saw.
Hmm.
Sa water.
Sausaw mo sa water.
Ay, mali sa bodega. Ay, sa si Paige. Kamusta
It
yun?
is you who makes the ground shake. Thank you, big wise
Aka na yung brush.
Tapos dyan naman sa ano. Pwede kami kasi yung masabi kay Mandy.
Kaganon mo kasi para makukuha mo. Oh.
Bukas na doon, hindi siya nag-grade. Kasi doon kasama parents. Parang ano na ako. Parang gano'n. Tapos tinignan niya ako kami. Anong sulat ba? Ano sa matis ka yung bago? Ano mo? Sulat mo na ba?
The big wise one is
Pinakapapay.
Alam mo, kawawa naman. Bakit ganyan yung tsura? Asa si Ayo?
Sino ba rin sa bodega? Tahi pa naman yun.
Oo nga. Asa si Ayo ma?
all I've heard is makes tummy sounds.
Don't worry, Ducky. I'm sure I can think of a way to save
Sausaw?
Lang daw.
Oh, thinking won't save spite, but strength will. Now,
Pagtatawanan
Mr.
namin.
Three, in
Huwag
my
yun yung suyak.
experience, things like this require careful consideration. Consideration? Bah.
Baka matapon na. Huwag yung ano
But if you dig in the wrong place, we might all end up down there. Are you suggesting that I would dig in the wrong place? Yes. You've got to think. Wrong place? That's right. I don't know any hole that's been
Paano
dug by
makapasok
thinking.
bukas wala ka sa
You've got
palo?
to think. You've got to use strength. No, you've got to think. Strength. Think. Strength.
Pwede yun?
Think.
Ano sabi sa'yo ng mga kaklase mo?
Things right now or not?
Think.
Doesn't sound like the sound of Spike getting out to me.
Think.
So Spike can get out of that hole.
Ay!
I do not know, but I do hope he is alright.
Bakit ka na kayo namin? Ate na kayo ni Celine sa isa or nag-isa pa
I
kayo?
don't think we should wake him.
Makakain lang nila. Hatos na lang muna sila.
Atos. Ako ka mo dali.
Lexin, may sticker sila
Wise one?
Hawak ko ng cellphone.
Hawak mo? Lexin, kuha mo nga yun. Tripod. Nilalagyan na ng cellphone.
Strength.
Sa gilid. Oo,
And
yan.
the time has come to use that strength.
Thank you po.
Wise one. Excuse me.
Meron nga doon, ano? Pwede ka magana.
Ayun na, mag-drawing na dito. Kausapin mo si Toto habang nag-drawing ka. Ana,
It is time.
aka na yung cellphone. Kausapin mo si Toto habang nag-drawing ka.
Time to vanquish the great hideous beast. The great hideous beast runs on two legs. That spider has the power to leap. Big scary eyes of a night walker.
Bakit?
But nothing for the mysterious about the same as big wise ones. It's all you.
Kung may